To see all products in a tartan, click the Tartan Finder. It's top right on desktop and bottom of the page on mobile. Search by name or color, or use the alphabetical search. Once a tartan is selected, the page will load all products available in that tartan. Click Category for a broad product filter, or Product Type to filter for a product. The Style drop-down can be used to refine a product search. To change your tartan, click on the tartan and choose a different tartan. Select a product from the Product Type filter. Refine your selection with the Style filter. Thanks for visiting scotlandshop.com.